Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day, every trading day, and we're here to build the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. This is my real shares, my real positions, and every day I'm trading live. As you can see, we were down a bit this morning because a few of our growth stocks have sold off. We've got the big day today, of course. It's Virgin Galactic earnings. We will be covering it live tonight in the show. We've got the opening and closing bell. You can see we're just off an all-time high. 54,400 was our all-time high. We're just a bit off that. But we're okay, we're holding our positions, and I'm perfectly fine and comfortable with that. Let's get straight into our trades and go through all our positions. First of all, let me open up the ticker below so you can see all the information that you need. Look below the video and you will see the information that you need. Links to all my social media. We run polls on Twitter throughout the show. We covered our earnings report last night of Lucid and what a disaster that was. And let me share with you the result of that poll. Last night, we put a poll out asking you what's the best stock to buy, EV, and look at the result this morning. This was after the Lucid's earnings last night. We asked you the question on my channel. You can still take part on my Twitter poll. It's got 9 hours left. We asked you which car company is the best to invest in: Mullen, Tesla, Arrival, or Lucid. They were the four options I gave you. Mullen is out at the lead at the moment with 49%. We've got, why has Tesla got a tick there? Oh, that's what I voted for. I was looking at it thinking, what is Tesla? Anyway, Tesla 32%, Arrival is 5.9%, and Lucid is 12.7%. There you go. So not really a surprise. I might have expected to see Tesla ahead of Mullen, but there's a lot of passion, and I've got a lot of fans of Mullen on my channel. So I'm not surprised that Mullen did well. If I had more fans of Tesla, maybe it would have been slightly different, but we'll follow it throughout the day. So do continue to vote on that poll if you want to. It'd be great to get your insight on it. We also asked you as well, what do you think of this statement that Lucid made last night? They made a statement that Peter Rawlinson just announced. People think the car is worth $200,000. Do you think that Peter Rawlinson, the CEO of Lucid, last night, in my opinion, sounded more like a used car salesman, trying to just promote the stock? I mean, that's kind of his job, but not in the way he was doing it. I mean, you don't hear Tim Cook or those at Google or Microsoft or anywhere trying to sell you the product and then overinflate it. What do you think? That it made me spit out my coffee when he said that. Anyway, let me know what you think. And also, we're asking the poll a question: do you have faith in CEO Peter Rawlinson at Lucid? Yes or no? 59% said no, they didn't have faith in him. Anyway, we're also asking about tonight's excitement. We've got, if we scroll down just a minute, we're looking at tonight, of course, it's Virgin, hang on a minute, I'm going to get it right in a minute. Virgin Galactic tonight's earnings, and we're asking you the question whether the stock is going to go up a bit, down a bit, rocket up, or crash down. I'm just getting, here it is. There's the poll there. Okay, Virgin Galactic SPCE. What will the stock do on earnings? So once we announced it earnings, will it go up a bit, down a bit, explode up, or tank down? 42% are saying explode up. We've only had 19 votes on this one. So if you'd like to take part in this one, let me give you the link to this one. I'd like your thoughts on this. What do you think that Virgin Galactic is going to do? I'll give it you 3 times so it stands out in the chat. There you go. What do you think? Is it going to go up a bit, down a bit, explode up, or tank down? There we go. I'll keep my eye on that throughout the morning. All right. Let's see who is here first. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. If you'd like to take part in our polls here on YouTube and Rumble, you can. Let me jump into YouTube, links in the profile, or just type in the same name, Martyn Lucas Investor, on YouTube. I'm live right now. Let me go into Rumble right now and give everybody there the link to the poll as well. Here we go. If you're on Rumble now, I'll give you the link as well. Excellent stuff. All right, let's go through our positions. And let's see where we are this morning. Virgin Galactic is up 1.23. What's bringing me down? What's the overall? It's the overall market, it's the S&P, and our defensive stocks are down this morning. Okay, what does that tell us? Well, if we go into Coca-Cola, we can see it's down slightly. J&J down slightly. It's our defensive stocks. McDonald's is up very slightly, but our defensive stocks are down very slightly. It's not really much movement, to be honest. It's only down 0.39. It's not really worth mentioning at the moment. But anyway, who was here first this morning? Sensei Crypto, good morning to you. Octavio Garcia, good morning, everyone. Tio Roll is here. Good morning. Eric B, good morning. Sid from the Netherlands, how are you today? Welcome to our show. Lovely to have you here. All right. Let me bring up my Google Translator. Here we go. Let's drop in a little bit of welcoming in our Dutch friend. So I want to say, here we go. Welcome all our friends from around the world, Sid, and especially all of those in the Netherlands. Okay, here we go.
Welkom al onze vrienden van over de hele wereld, Sid, en vooral al die in Nederland.
There we go. Good morning to Silver Surfer is here. Mr. Cornwall is here. How are you? Morning, Silver Surfer. Wonderful to have you here. Let me go into the Discord. And remember, you can have your say every morning. If you'd like to have your say, then you can. Let me go into Discord, right? Let me give everyone the Discord link. If you want to call in live to the show, talk to all the members. We have exclusive channels for the members only. There is the Discord link. I'll post it 3 times so you can see it. There it is. Let's go into the breakfast lounge and let's see, as we got 50 minutes before the bell goes, as sponsored by Sensei Crypto today. Let's scroll down and let's see what we've got. These are all the videos just posted. Excellent stuff. Did you see my Virgin Galactic video last night? Information provided by HS, I think his name was. Much appreciated. So who's in the breakfast bar this morning? What have we got? We've got, let's zoom in here. It's Tuesday, Eric. What's going on? Let's add some comments here. If you want to come in, dang, working too hard. We're always working too hard, aren't we? Yeah. Mike says he's working too hard. Let me give everybody a welcome and a thumbs up. Did someone say Taco Tuesday? Is that what's going on? I like that, Princess Leia. Now, I don't know if everybody knows, but my godfather was Kenny Baker, R2-D2, hence the name Martyn Lucas. Some of you, I think, will know that. Maybe not everybody does. All right, there we go. So if you go into the breakfast lounge in the morning, I want to see what everyone's having for their breakfast. That's what I want to see. We want to get some more engagement into our Discord channel because we're so close from becoming a public channel. We're not quite there yet. We've got the numbers. We just don't quite have the engagement yet. All right, so hopefully we will soon. Anyway, let's come back to our trading position. And let's look at our heat map this morning. Let's go through our heat map. Let's have a little look. Here we go. Mr. Cornwall says afternoon, welcome to you. So here's my brokerage position. There is my Roth down 83 bucks. And overall, we're just below. We're 500 off our all-time high. Okay, let's go into the heat map. Remember, this is 15 minutes behind, so it's worth just mentioning to you. Working on a course, says Sensei Crypto, best for beginners and people who have been in crypto for less than 2 years. Thank you very much indeed, Sensei. That's Ali Tisro. And let's go into our Coinbase. It's our crypto challenge. If you want to be part of Ali's crypto challenge, here are our assets. Remember, we've only got 500 bucks invested of the $1,000 we put in. The rest is in USD, earning 4%. So we're up 73 bucks. That's good. And let's give you all Sensei Crypto's Discord link. Where is it? Where did I just put that? Let me scroll to the top. It should be here somewhere. There it is. Don't know why I couldn't see it. If you go to Sensei's Discord channel, you'll get all the information. That is a premium service. If you are a member of our channel, you'll get a lifetime discount. But you might want to go there, and Ali will do charts for you. He will do analytics for you, the whole thing. He will work it all out for you and suggest to you what to buy. You can be on the $1,000 challenge, the $7,000 to $100,000 challenge. I am currently on $1,000 to $7,000, and I'm on that. And what Ali does is he tells me what crypto to buy, what to sell, and so on and so forth. We've got 100 people now. Congratulations. That's really, really good. Do you know what, Sensei? Even though technically speaking, hang on, it's how can I celebrate it? It's not my member, but I'm proud of you. So we're gonna give you the member celebration screen. This is for Sensei, who's now got 100 members on his Discord now. Absolutely fantastic. Congratulations. Let's do it. Here we go. Here is Sensei Crypto's celebration. Hey, 100. That's a great number. Congratulations. Well done indeed. Very, very well done. All right. Good stuff. Isn't that brilliant? Absolutely brilliant. Well done to you. Anyway, I'm just getting an alert here. What's my Web3 wallet saying? Confirm identity. Want to use Web3 wallet on this phone? Confirm my identity. All right. I'll do that now then. Okay. It wants me to send in, I understand. All right. What have I got to do? Proceed. I'm just looking at it now. Oh, driver's license, ID card recommended. Okay. All right. Well, I will do that. I will do that later on. That's in Coinbase. Wants me to confirm my identity, and that's absolutely fine. Okay, let's read some more comments. We're getting ready for Virgin Galactic's earnings tonight. We'll be covering it live. 100 people now, says Sensei. Mika Flemons, good morning, live viewing. Hope you have a wonderful week. How are you, Mika? Great to have you here. I like the tie, mate. Very, very nice indeed. Very, very smart. I like it. I like people who make the effort in the morning. Brilliant. Absolutely great. All right, if you've just tuned in this morning, welcome to all of you. It's a big day. We're covering Virgin Galactic's earnings tonight. Smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell. If you tap the like button for this video, it really, really helps my show. It promotes it to more people. So consider doing that if you enjoy my content. If you don't, then tap the like button twice. Or should I say 3 times? Yeah, once, twice. Yeah, tap it 3 times. That's what I meant to say. Anyway, Virgin Galactic. Let me change this. Every morning I do this, Vorb Q. And the reason why I'm leaving it there so you can actually see it. But anyway, I've got to remember to do that. Rivian. Tesla down today, 169. I'm 4% up. Oh, no, that's my main account. My Roth IRA, that's what we're looking at, down 1.44. I could sell yesterday for a wash, but I decided not to. Lucid now down today at 9.34. I don't know why anyone would invest now in Lucid. It's obvious that they're going to go private. They're losing $500,000 every time they sell a car. I don't know why anyone would invest in Lucid. No one's saying it's not a great car. Buy one. If you're going to invest in Lucid, just buy the car. I don't know why you would buy the company, quite honestly. All right? Okay. It's like Bugatti Veyron, right? You might go, it's the best car in the world and all this kind of stuff, but would you buy the company? It loses money on every car it sells and intentionally does that. It's trying to do a concept and be the greatest car in the world. And so, you know, there is a place for that, but then you buy the car, not the company, right? Anyway. Amazon is up 5.46 overall. We're down 0.37. McDonald's is up very slightly. Coca-Cola down 0.06. A very muted market this morning. Not a lot going on. Let me read. Let me read any big moments today. We've got the Halifax House Price Index. We've got, what else have we got? Fed Jefferson's speech this morning. That's already happened. Fed will 3-year note auction. There's API crude oil stock change this afternoon. It's not a big day today. Tomorrow is the big day. We've got inflation rate, CPI, tomorrow morning, and that's what we're looking at. And what we're looking at, if we go over to it, this is the consensus. This is what we're looking at tomorrow. Let me zoom in for you. Okay. This is tomorrow morning, 7:30, the inflation rate. Now, previous was 5%. The consensus is 5%, forecast 4.9%. So inflation, is it going to come down year on year? What about the core inflation year on year? On the core inflation, it's 5.6%. We're expecting perhaps 5%. Hot inflation rate month on month, 0.1%, and consensus and forecast 0.4 and 0.3. So, you know, the markets are still hot. Inflation, the rates are still going to stay high. We might get a pause, but it's going to stay up there for a long time. And remember, a 0.25, no rate hike, but up for 6 to 12 months is just the same as going up another 25 for a couple of months. So it's just, you know, you need to know that. Anyway, just thought I'd mention it. Engage the like button, make it so. I like it. I like that. Sid says, engage the like button and make it so. I like that. That's good. I like it. All right. I like that. I think that's good. Right. Let's go through our positions. Let me check over on Discord, not Discord, Rumble this morning. Midnight Oil is in the chat. UAA down on guidance. There we go. This is Midnight Oil popped in on Rumble this morning. Welcome to you, Midnight Oil. Where are you from? What part of the world are you from? Have you remembered to smash the like button of the video? It really helps if you like the video. Appreciate you doing that. I'm trying to grow on Rumble, and we've now got 70 followers. 30 away. I am 30 away from, very exciting now, 30 away from my 100 target in the first couple of weeks. So there we go. Let me give you the Rumble. If you've not yet followed me there, I'm trying to get to 100 likes. Sorry, 100 subscribers, because you get all sorts of benefits that you can unlock when you reach 100. So, kind of cool, right? Hassan, good morning to you. Welcome. Let me check on Bloomberg what's going on there this morning. Let's see what's new. Let's have a quick listen in to Bloomberg.
You know, I think that's definitely a summer 2023 event, maybe into 24 when you get to Asia Pacific, which is reopening now. And then domestic, I don't know, maybe people will be so overwhelmed by the price of some tickets that they'll pivot and either shift days that they travel or shift location. Instead of going to Europe because fares are so high, maybe go to Latin America, Northern South America, domestic. I think you'll see some of that pivoting because of the differential in fares.
Do you think that there's going to be some sort of decline in business travel, or is it coming back nearly to the level that it was pre-pandemic, or even more because people are just working from home and then traveling?
Right. So I don't know the specific answer to that question, because my thought has been that business travel will come back in differing measures.
There we go. That's not really much
client.
for us to follow this morning, so we'll come back to that. Sky News, where do we see the war going in Ukraine? Talking about Eurovision right now. Anyway, thanks. It's a little bit of Star Trek. Captain Picard, yes. I thought it sounded familiar to me. I'm going to read it out again. Engage the like button. Make it so. Make it so. Brilliant. I can hear him saying it now. Engage the like button. Make it so. That's funny. James, where do you think crypto is heading for the rest of the year? Well, the person to answer that question, of course, is Sensei Crypto. I'm not going to answer that question at all. I'm going off the information I get from Sensei, which is it's going down. At least Bitcoin, I'm expecting to see Bitcoin drop to 15,000. Maybe Sensei will come back and let us know his thoughts. Right, Virgin Galactic. Let's go for all our positions. Rivian. We've got just over half an hour to go. Eurovision's hosted in Liverpool on behalf of Ukraine, because of course Ukraine won last year, and normally they host it, but it was decided not a good idea for Ukraine to host a Eurovision. Probably quite right, as it would be a target for Russia. Hi Sid and Sensei, here he is. Here's Mike, winner of the best trophy. We've only had two people win that. Be awarded it, but he also won the Fan of the Year as well, and he got his mug, which was very, very cool. This is the best trophy. Here it is, and I've awarded it twice on our show. There you go. You're the best, and he received his mug. He's got his very own You're the Best mug, which you could go and buy if you want one. A souvenir of Mike, you can get one from the shop. All right, martynlucas.com/shop, and you take you to the Investor Channel shop. All right. Okay, moving along. Apple down 0.54. Amazon. Thanks for the mug. You are very, very welcome. It's my pleasure. You won it. You won it. All right. Watching the news, nothing major going on today. It's a bit of a muted market at the moment. Virgin Galactic is the big story of the day. Of course, we're covering it tonight on the earnings. So if you've not yet done this, if you look below the homepage of my YouTube channel, all right, upcoming live streams. Every single show is all there, laid out for you at the same times every day, and it will give it you in your time zone. So there is the opening bell, the closing bell. Then tonight we've got the Virgin Galactic earnings. You want to be the first person to grab a ticket? Wow, that's good to see. We've got 6 likes already. Now that's a record for 12 hours away. Look at that, brilliant. I'll give it you 3 times. There is the earnings. Later on Rumble, I will post the link on Rumble. It's not there yet. If you want to watch it on YouTube, I'll give you the link. There is the link, but I will give it to you on. It will get posted. I can only schedule one show at a time. So after this, be the closing bell, and then it will be Virgin Galactic tonight. This is great. 6 likes already. Look at that. We ranked number 1 on YouTube and Google for SPCE stock, which is very good. Sometimes I lose my top spot, but it comes back pretty much next day. So I'm quite proud of that. I work hard for that, I think. Anyway, there it is. That's tonight. And then, of course, we've got Robinhood tomorrow as well, May 10th. We're covering all the earnings, the stocks that we own and that you request, IonQ as well. And there's more coming up after that as well. There's much more. We've got Mullins earnings, plus many, many more. All right, all on the channel. Okay, we've got half an hour to go. Now then, let's have a quick look and see what my music channel is on now. I've been asking you for a while. We've got half an hour to go before the bell goes, so I can talk about it. I've been asking you for a while to help me get to 4,000 watch hours. I had some real success over the weekend with the coronation. I recorded some songs for the coronation. And we are now at 3,700 watch hours. It's sort of petered off today. Don't forget NVIDIA. Let me have a look in a moment. Let me have a quick look. Let me just give you this. I'm really, really desperate to get to 4,000 watch hours. We are doing a concert tonight, rock and roll Rocket Man concert tonight after Virgin Galactic. So here is my music channel. If I can give you the link, it's on the homepage of this channel. If I can give it to you, it's at Martyn Lucas, obviously. There we go. Go and pick a playlist and help me grow if you can. So let me share with you, for those of you that are supporting my music channel, we're up to 3,700 watch hours. We're trying to get to 4,000. There it is on the screen. See, 3,700. There was the spike for the coronation. It's now coming back down again, but still getting a few views rolling over from the coronation. You can see there, look, still getting a few, but just the coronation videos getting watched. It just shows you about YouTube search. You've got to be searchable, and no one searches for Martyn Lucas. Yeah, not famous enough, I'm afraid. So anyway, there we go. Thank you very much for supporting it. We're nearly there. It's not that bad now, is it? We're pretty close. We're up to 3,700. 300 hours to go. Anyway, thanks for your support on that. And I have Martyn Lucas on Rumble too, if you're interested. Okay, we've got half an hour to go before the bell goes. Interesting morning. We're ready for it. The Queen of Self-Braiding. Now then, ETORO has asked, should I, NVIDIA, let's have a look. He's asked me to cover NVIDIA. When is it? You put NVIDIA on the 24th. Let me have a look. Let's see if I can cover it, and then we'll do May 24th, NVIDIA. May 24th. I can do it. Let me run a poll and see if I've got enough interest in it. Not many people on my channel talk about it. So let's go and do a poll. Here is our poll for Virgin Galactic tonight. 19 votes. If you want to take part in this one, copy link to tweet. Here we go. There is the link if you want to take part in our Virgin Galactic poll. 19 votes now. We're asking you, will Virgin Galactic go up a bit on the earnings, down a bit, explode up, or tank down? All right, so NVIDIA it is. Let's run a poll on NVIDIA. Should I cover it? Okay, so it's NVDA. Let me make sure I've got the details right. Duplicate that screen. NVIDIA, I'm sure it's NVDA. Let's have a look. NVDA, yes it is. Yes it is. Okay, NVDA. Thought so. All right, okay. NVDA. We are, whoops a daisy. We are running a poll for NVIDIA. Are Are you an investor? Are you an investor in the stock? Should we broadcast the earnings? Okay, who's interested in the earnings? Are you an investor in the stock? Should we broadcast the earnings? Okay, so let's drop in my my usual little thing I do here. I've got to just minimize that. Bring this up here. And let's have a look at it. Here we go. Just let everybody know where they can find us. Okay, drop that in there, and we'll do a quick poll for it. Okay, join us every day on YouTube, and if you want my music, there it is. Okay, so here is the poll: yes or no. And I won't shout it. There's any point shouting it? Not really. Yes or no. Okay. And when is it? It's you just said when it was. It was May 24th. I better put that in as well. Should we broadcast the earnings on May 24th? Okay. Yes or no. So we run the poll for 3 days. And let's see how it goes. All right, so share this. If you're interested in NVIDIA and you'd like me to do it, I'm more than happy to do it. If we get enough interest, I will do it. Okay, so tweet that, and then I will share you the link to it. Okay, are you interested in NVIDIA? There you go. All right. There it is. Let me give you the link in the chat. Maybe those on Rumble would like to vote on it as well. There we go. I'll give it you twice so you can see it. And see if we get any interest in NVIDIA. And should we share that? Okay. It's an important company for the market in general, says ETORO. Well, we can cover it if we get a good interest, if we get a majority interest on it. Okay, that sounds fair, doesn't it? Sounds fair to me. Let me just scroll back a second here. We've got 25 minutes to go, not that long to go now. We're watching NVIDIA, it's down. Should we just pan out and get some perspective? Up on over the 5 years, it's up 375%. Over the year, it's up 60%. So it's growing at the moment. 27% of the last 3 months. A big rise at the moment. It's had a good year. So what do we think from the earnings? Well, they are a profitable company. The expectations has been lowered slightly from previous quarter. No, it hasn't. It's been increased from previous quarter. At 91 cents a share, they're expected. Do you think they'll beat it? Well, they typically, on majority, it looks like they beat it. They beat it in 22, Q3, Q4, and Q1 of 23. Then they missed on Q2 23 in a big way. And Q3 23 they also missed, but then Q4 they returned again to beating again. So let's see what they do. Anyway, NVIDIA W. What about it? What about it, Queen? What's your question there? Right then, we've got 24 minutes to go. We've got one vote so far on NVIDIA. Let's have a look. Let me just share with you. I want to see. So far, it's overwhelming majority that we should cover it. But I only want to cover it if it's popular on my channel. All right. So there you go. So vote for that if you'd like to see NVIDIA earnings. Okay. Okay. 25 minutes to go. 50-50 now. One person says no, not interested. All right, SPCE, Virgin Galactic, just coming back up again. We are covering the earnings tonight. Looking forward to that. Did we get any more people register for their ticket for the earnings? We had 6 likes. Oh, wow, look at this. I've never seen anything like it. The earnings tonight looks really, really hot, right? It's 12 hours on, less than 12 hours, sort of 10 hours, 8 hours to go. And we're at 9 likes. I don't think I've ever been at 9 likes for an earnings that far out. That's very, very, very encouraging. Very encouraging. All right. Very good indeed. Let's see if I'm still ranking for SPCE stock. Sometimes I rank for it. Let me share with you. I'm normally number 1 for it. This is how I search. There you go. I've dropped off now. I'm number 2 today. There you go. See, look, I'm number 2 in top channels for this search. Trending Stocks is really firing hard to take away my spot. He keeps coming back with really good videos, does really good content. Very, very good stuff indeed. I like it. I listen in when I can. But congratulations to you for taking my spot away. Oh, I'll try and get you back later on, though. I've got, at the moment, the top 2 videos in there that have just come out. We got Showtime, if you've not yet seen it, about the crew. I posted that last night, and how to trade it as well. And then scroll down, and you can see I've got a short there, and there you go. All right. Pretty good, but I've got to get my top spot back again today. Maybe after the earnings. He'll probably go live for the earnings as well, try and get me. Anyway, that's what you should be doing. Wonder if it will. Nvidia used to be 1,000 per share. Wow. Well, it's now 288, of course. It's done a split. Is it a 3-way split and then it's dropped a bit? Is that what it's done? Anyway, no, I wouldn't have thought so. I don't know. I've not followed the stock long enough to know the answer to that question. Anyway, 20 minutes to go before the bell goes. Today's bell is sponsored by Sensei Crypto. You too can sponsor the bell if you want to. It's sponsored by Sensei Crypto at the moment. Right. On our breakfast bar, I wanted to go back and check. Nothing there. Let me open up. Oh, links for YouTube. Eric B. Let's Talk Money with Joseph Hogue. Ex-dividend day explained. And dividend calendar strategies. Thank you very much for that. I will check that out. That's a good read for me. Everybody else, go and look at links for YouTube. Got a very interesting video there. Thank you very much for that, Eric. I will certainly check that out. That'll be really good. Thanks for that source. That's good. Okay, we're just waiting now. 20 minutes for the bell. There's not a lot of news at the moment. Our channel is opening up today at 7,478. And I've got to bring my clock back. When I got my new computer, I've not had my clock back of our target to 1 million views. I promise I'll bring that back. Let me do that. I'm going to take a note. I need to do VORB Q, and I need to do my million views countdown. Million views countdown. All right. Okay. Excellent stuff. Right. Just over 15 minutes to go. Tonight is the earnings for Virgin Galactic. Oh, do you know what I'm going to do? I might have time to make it. There we go. I've just put the lights up. Let me put some smoke out. Let me do Virgin Galactic. Oh, I've got a video to do. I've got time to do it. Of course I have. Let's go to Virgin Galactic a minute. SPCE. There you go. Bring him on the screen. Let me get this up on the screen. View thumbnail. That's what I want to show. All right. I'm just getting my studio set for Virgin Galactic because tonight we're doing a Rocket Man concert after the earnings. We were asked to do it yesterday, so we're going to do it. So we're getting the studio ready. I've just lit up the studio, waiting for the smoke to come out. There you go. In the colors of Virgin Galactic. There we go. Let's bring that into focus a bit more. Right. That'll do there. Brilliant. That's that one there. That's that one there. And we're getting ready. Okay, we got 13 minutes. As soon as the smoke's out, I'll do it. We've got to have the smoke. It's a rocket company, right? So just a few seconds to go. We're watching Virgin Galactic. It's up to day 2.41. And it should be a good night. And we're running that poll as well. So make sure that you take part in the poll. Oh, I better bring that up as well. That'll be useful. I'm excited now. I'm excited for tonight. Who's excited for tonight? Let's bring up the poll. Virgin Galactic there. That's the event there. And I want the poll. There it is. Oh, I can hear the smoke coming out. I can hear the smoke coming out now. Let me just check that's in the right position before I make the video. There you go. Okay. All right. Let's read this. ETORO, I hope people don't vote no on the question if they are invested in Nvidia, even though they would be generally interested. ETORO. Well, you know what you got to do, ETORO? You got to share it around. You got to share the video around so everyone sees it. Oh, here comes the smoke. Look. Here comes me smoke. We're getting all smoking out there. There's a studio lighting up. IDEX and CLRO. Okay, there we go. Just a couple more seconds of smoke and we're good to go. All right. Welcome to the Virgin Galactic studio. Okay. I can turn it off now. All right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Virgin Galactic. Welcome to the Virgin Galactic studios. We're going to have a great night. We're all in the colors. We're all set. We've even got the smoke, yes. Virgin Galactic on fire tonight. As we can see, it's up 2.7. We've got some very exciting news. First of all, we are running the earnings tonight. If you click above my head, that will take you to the earnings. Join us live. Right after the earnings, we are also having the Rocket Man concert. It's for our Virgin Galactic investors. As you know, I wrote the Virgin Galactic song. It was sent to the Branson family. And behind me in the studio, I'll perform a 20-minute, half-an-hour concert. Rocket songs related. Rocket Man, of course, the song itself, Virgin Galactic, Starman, David Bowie, I'm Still Standing, you get the idea. So join us for that. If you click up there, that will take you to the Rocket Man concert on my music channel afterwards. We're also running a poll right now on my Twitter account. What do you think the stock earnings will do? Will it go up a bit, down a bit, explode up, or tank down? 19 votes so far and 2 hours left. So make sure that you vote on that. Very, very exciting stuff indeed. Really, really good. So you'll have to do it just as this video comes out. So make sure that you get in quickly. And also what we're doing, we're getting ready to announce all the information about the crew as well. Beth Moses, Luke Mays, Jamila Gilbert, and Christopher Hugh. This is the new crew for Virgin Galactic. We're excited for the next flight. So join us tonight for the earnings. Click above my head for all those links. You've got the earnings, you've got the Rock and Roll Rocket Man concert afterwards, and you've also got the poll as well, which you might want to take part in. All right, so there we go. The Virgin Galactic studio is ready. We're very proud to say we rank #1 on YouTube for SPCE stock. We're very passionate about Virgin Galactic. We're very excited, and we're going to have some fun tonight, listen into the earnings, and then, of course, we're going to have the concert afterwards. Have a great night. I hope you make lots of money, and I hope Virgin Galactic does well. Until then, as always, take care of your money, your crypto, yourselves, and each other. Go space. Okay. That'll do. Ooh, it's got an itchy eye. Got an itchy eye. That'll be the smoke. Right, itchy eye. It's gone away now. Don't you hate when you get an itchy eye? Especially when you're live on the telly. All right. Okay, I can't bloody see now. I've gone blind. I've gone blind. Okay. Do you know what? I do want to use that. I'm going to bring the smoke back. I want that ticker. I want that ticker there. Sorry, I want that thumbnail. Okay. That's what I want as a thumbnail. Once the smoke comes back, we've got 12 minutes to go. We've got time. Let's just wait for the smoke to come back again. And I'm going to grab a thumbnail out of that. So we've got Virgin Galactic to the left, studio below. All right. Welcome everybody on TikTok. How are you all doing this morning? It's an exciting day, isn't it, today? We've got a lot going on in the studio. Mike, I should buy IDEX Queen. Should I buy IDEX? Says Mike. Well, I don't know, Mike. What do you think? All right, let's do a thumbs up. Okay. We're getting a good thumbnail there. Let's do another one. A little bit further out, perhaps. And one more at distance. There we go. Okay, I think we got it, right? We got it. Okay, that'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. All right, there we go. Marvelous. Ready for tonight. It's going to be a good night, isn't it? How many have we got watching us today on YouTube right now? Hey, I can't. Oh, I'm playing a video thinking 536. No, that can't be right. That's from earlier. Anyway, welcome everybody on Rumble this morning. Welcome to you. We're at 70 followers now, 30 to go. We're very excited. Just 30 to go, and we hit our target. My target was get to 100 likes on 100 subscribers on Rumble within 2 weeks. I set myself these ridiculous targets. I don't know why. 10 minutes to go. Buy not to hold, says Queen of Self-Braiding. Buy not to hold. In other words, a quick scalp trade. That's what she's talking about. All right. Virgin, the stocks are going down at the moment, down 0.5% now. Virgin Galactic is still holding up, though, so we like that. Down 0.42. NVIDIA. Shall we go back to our poll and see what's what? We've got 19 votes now on Virgin Galactic, and so far it's explode up 42%. That's the poll at the moment. But we just put one out for NVIDIA. Let's scroll all the way to the top. And NVIDIA, we've got 3 votes now. Should I run the NVIDIA earnings on my channel? And 66%, which is 2 out of 3, say yes. Yes, and someone has retweeted it as well to try to get more NVIDIA investors to say, yes, I like it. That's what we need. Well, if whoever wins, I will do it. Okay. S&P down 0.37. Virgin Galactic, 8 minutes to go. Today's bell is sponsored by Sensei Crypto. Now then, we have a little issue now. We have an issue. You know what my issue is? You know what my issue is? You all know what my issue is. You know what my issue is. We've got 28 watching and just 19 likes. Chiggy 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 pow pow. Said chiggy 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 pow pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up. Need 28 likes as I got 28 watching. Smash the like button. It's all you got to do to help the channel grow. Tap the like button every time you come here. There you go. It's gone up to 20. There we go. Chiggy 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 pow pow. Said chiggy 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 pow pow. 20. What about Rumble? Is Rumble winning the battle this morning? They've got 4 watching. 4 watching, 3 watching, and just 1 like. There you go. We're doing better on YouTube right now this morning. Let's go back to YouTube. We've got a few seconds to go. 20 likes and 26 watching. All right. Not too bad, but not great. We can do better than that. All right. There we go. Bit of fun there. Waiting for the bell. 6 minutes to go. All right. Thank you, guys. Appreciate that very much indeed. Overall markets are going down. Engage the like button. Make it so. I love it. NVIDIA will be educational to watch. Don't miss out. ETORO. He's promoting it. I love it. I love the passion. All right. We've got 2. This is good. You can see the passion now coming in. We've got 2 retweets now. People are trying to get the word out. NVIDIA, should we do the earnings for it? It's had 3 votes, 66% say yeah, 2 out of 3, 3 likes and 2 shares. It's starting to move. Very good. I like it. I like the commitment, ETORO. I want to sponsor the bell. You are sponsoring the flipping bell. You're already in. Sensei Crypto says, I want to sponsor the bell. Well, guess what? You're already sponsoring it. You can't sponsor it twice. Well, yeah, you can actually. You can. You could give me a super chat and I'll ring it 10 times longer. Leah's going, no, you bloody won't. Why is it bleeding pre-market? Any bad news? No, it's what we expected after a few days after the Fed with a little pump. And now we're having it giving back a little bit. This is perfectly normal. I'm perfectly happy with this. No issues here at all. All right, the timer. How far we got to go now? 5 minutes to go. I bought 2,500 shares of a stock around 2014, and another company bought it. I didn't have any notifications set. I had bought it at 10 cents. New stock went up, and 75,000 I lost by not watching. Ow, my gosh. I had bought at 0.10 cents. New company stock went up, and hang on. Let me just read that out. I bought 2,550 shares of a stock around 2014. And another company bought it. I didn't have any notifications set. I had bought at 10 cents. New company stock went up. And at 75,000, I lost by not watching. It went back to 10 cents. Oh, gosh. Yeah. Always watch your investments. Don't take them for granted. Unless you're buying the S&P 500, come back in 20 years, you're going to be up. All right? That's different. But an individual stock, yeah, you shouldn't just forget it. I agree. That's a bad idea. Don't do that again, Mike. Stonks, Valentin, good morning to you. Welcome to you. Why is it bleeding, says Mohammed. Hopefully we answered that question for you. Nothing particular. I'm watching the news. I'm watching Bloomberg. I'm watching Sky News. Let's have a quick update on the news. Here we go. Let's have a quick listen in, see what we can hear.
Equities downgrading Shopify to neutral, seeing limited room for further upside after recent gains. We're negative there, almost 1% in the pre-market to 63.75. And
Oh, playing music. We can't have playing music. What are they playing music for? Get copyrighted. You can say what you like, but don't play the music. Don't play the music. You play the music, I've got to leave you. I can't be doing the music. So anyway, now you're back. Are you playing your music still?
Aaron Cannon.
Yeah, you're still playing your music. Well, that's why they do it. They do it just to annoy me. That's why they do it, I'm telling you. Anyway, 3 minutes ago, Zenze Crypto is sponsoring the bell. It's a big day for us today, of course. We are covering Virgin Galactic. The charts are down at the moment, but we are happy. Are we going to have a great day with Virgin Galactic tonight? As you can see, we're getting ready to release. Just a month or so away from this historic moment once again happening. Nothing like being dropped from a plane hoping that the engine starts. It's pretty wild. When you actually break that down, what actually happens, it's pretty crazy. If you think about it just for a moment, what actually happens is they strap a rocket full of rocket fuel, very explosive stuff, to the bottom of a plane. I thought we're not supposed to smoke on planes. You know, we've got a rocket being dangled beneath the plane. All right, very scary. And then you sit in that plane, and then they drop you. They drop you before they even start the engine. So they drop you. You're now a stone. You're falling out of the sky full of rocket fuel, and you haven't even started the engine yet. And then you start the engine. If the engine doesn't start, you crash. Who wants to sign up for it now? Maybe I'll pass on that. Yeah, maybe I'll pass on that. It's we kind of take it for granted, don't we? We go. Well, if the scientists said if the scientists say it's a good idea, it must be a good idea, isn't it? It must be a good idea if they say it's a good idea. I'm just saying. It's pretty scary, right? Anyway, 1 minute to go before the bell goes. Here's the lovely Leah with my coffee. Thank you, Leah. All right, there we go. Here we go. I bought Pepe John Bennett. I love it. Brave man. Bad investment. Oh my gosh. It's not an investment though, is it? It's not an investment. You can't say it's an investment, right? No one can say buying Pepe is an investment. It's just a random lucky dip. That's the best we can really say if we're honest, isn't it? Really? It's a random lucky dip. You're investing in a frog that doesn't even exist. That wears a silly hat. All right. Okay. We're getting ready in just a few more seconds to go. Whoops, a daisy. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. We're ringing the bell this morning. Zenze Crypto. Zenze Crypto is sponsoring the bell. The bell has now gone and we are off and running to the races. Thanks, Leah. Okay, let's have a look. Let's see what's moving, and everything is crashing down. Are you running to the hills? Are you all stressed out of your brains, or are you chilled and relaxed? Okay, we're chilled and relaxed. We're looking to buy the dip this morning for Virgin Galactic if it goes down. We've got Nvidia just is down, but moving up. We're talking about doing the earnings for it. It's going to the moon. Well, have you voted on it? Have you taken part? Virgin Galactic right now is going back down again. At the moment, it's up slightly, but it's on its way back down at the moment. Virgin Orbit, of course, went bankrupt. Rivian is down at a 4%. I'm up 19% on it, though. I've got two positions, my Roth position and my main position. There you go. Up 1.42. Tesla going back down. I'm trying to sell at 189. Let's keep going through the stocks. Lucid, disastrous earnings last night. They're going to continue to lose money and increase the amount of money they're losing. They're going to be a private company. I think everybody knows it. So you wouldn't want to be investing in a company that's going to go private, because the shareholders always get the raw end of the rough end of the stick. They're losing $500,000 every time they sell a car. It's insane why anyone would invest in Lucid. You might want to buy the car, but it makes no sense to invest it if you're trying to return your profit, return your money anyway. Isn't that why you invest in the first place? So cool here. You're a mongrel. What's going on there? So what? Virgin, steer clear, lads. What do you mean, John Bennett? What's your point? What do you mean? Anyway, Coca-Cola is down. So what we're getting now, defensive stocks being sold off. That generally means they're going into higher risk. Google is going up. That's where some money is going. You can see it now. Microsoft, same thing. That's where the money is going. Follow the money. It tells you what to do. Generally, Tesco. Next Era Energy, I'm holding for the dividends. It's a good, I like to own solar. Enphase, so expensive. I've just bought at the wrong time, but I'm holding my position. Bitcoin is up 0.31. Tilray today is down 1.44. We didn't get the big news a couple of days ago. No surprise there. Virgin Galactic, as planned, it is rising. Back to Virgin Galactic. Here we go. So Virgin Galactic is up. We've got the Virgin Galactic studio ready to rock and roll. We are here. As you can see, the Virgin Galactic studio is set up. We've got the Virgin Galactic concert tonight, and we've also got the the earnings. That's what I meant to say. Yes. So Virgin Galactic right now. Let's see how it's doing. The overall market is down, but Virgin Galactic is coming up. Nice. Are you trimming off the top? Are you taking any profits? Well, is it pumped before the earnings? What do you think? Is the earnings going to be good? What do you think? Well, we're up now. Here we go. First time we've been up in a long while. First time we've been up in a long while. 5.6% now. Yes, it's very possible. Some people will take profits at this point. Here we go. I'm up 4.9 now. Did you add any more, Martin? Open for a drop here to here. No, I didn't add any more. Because I think that Virgin Galactic should only be 5% of your portfolio, and I'm at 3.83. Here we go. Is its first dump of the morning. Up, then down she goes again. It's very weak. People taking profit at that, but I think it'll run for a while. I think it will come down a little bit. Some profit taking, and it'll hold at this position and start to go up again. And let's see if I'm right. Let's see if I'm right. I think that people will be a bit afraid, be a bit of FOMO here today, and they will buy back in again. So I don't think it's going to be a mass drop today now. If it was going to be a mass drop, it would have happened earlier, and then it will happen on the earnings if it's bad. I mean, if the earnings is terrible and we're all losing money and everything's bad and there's no flights and everything's cancelled, and then it will go down. But I think we're going to run for a little while. I think we will. It's way too early to take profit from Virgin Galactic, says Hassan El. Well, I don't agree with that principle. Everyone's portfolio is different. If you're up and you've made money and you're trying to clear margin, or you know, nothing goes straight up. And it doesn't matter what you didn't get, it's what you did get. It's all that matters. If I sell now, I'm up 4%. I've made 4% on my money. Great. I've made 4%. Now, if you've only got, in my case, 336 shares, I've made $58. If you've got 3 million shares, you've made a lot more, obviously, right? You've made 59,000. So at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how much money you've made. It's the percentage, all right? And if you're up 5% on a stock, nothing wrong with that. That's more money than you're going to get in the bank in a year than you've got in a day. So what's wrong with selling it? Nothing. Your position is, your position is your own. So anyway, John B, and for calling me, what's going on here? Just watching the comments coming in. We already know they're losing money, so the earnings can only be positive. Well, yeah, I mean, but we knew that Lucid was earning money last night, and then it went down like 14% because they were losing even more money, and the projections were even worse. So definitely to 550 today. I don't know. It's possible. It's all about whether they can say that they've sold all the tickets, the flights are booked, they're gonna fly next month. We've contacted the families, everyone's been given dates. That kind of stuff is what you want, and I don't know if we're gonna get that, but that's what you want. Anyway, did you add any more? I didn't add any more. Crag, Keaton S, good morning to you. Okay, let's scroll on down. It's going back now. No surprise, really. Not really a surprise, is it? Let's watch it for a few moments. The overall markets are going down. When the markets start reversing, then Virgin Galactic will. Nvidia is taking a big drop today. The S&P is going down, 0.89. Everything is selling off right now. Yeah, we're down 0.5% now. Nothing to be feared here, but nevertheless, it's worth noting. We're at 1.5% off our all-time high from the S&P. TCRX Holt, says Ed Nevius. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla, 168. We want to sell at 189 if we can. I think the markets are going to reverse in about the next 15 minutes or so. We are having a sell-off this morning. That's expected. Lucid dire last night. I only believe it's worth 6, but to be fair, it's not even worth 6. It loses money every time. It loses $500,000 every time it sells a car. Can you believe it? Right, let's go over to our polls and see who has taken part. We've got a couple of polls are running. We've got Nvidia on my Martyn Investor. Links in the profile, links below the video. At Martyn Investor. There you go. See it on the screen. Just there, look, if you want on Twitter. Running a poll out. Should we do Nvidia? 50-50 right now. We've had 3 retweets and 50-50 whether we should run the earnings. I'm going to honor the poll. Scrolling down, last night I asked the question about Nvidia. About Lucid. Peter Rawlinson said the cars are worth $200,000. Can you believe that? And that was the reaction I gave. We also asked what's the best EV to invest in. Mullen, Tesla, Arrival, Lucid. 8 hours left. Mullen is winning 49%. Tesla, Arrival, Lucid. So there you go. A lot going on there. In fact, I need to just quickly do that. Let me do that very quickly as well. What's the time? The time is... Mullen, 1 hour 8. 1 hour 8. Mullen. Did I do, I did, didn't I? I did SPCE and I didn't write it down. SPCE on Bell. Yeah, thought so. Anyway, we need to do this a minute. For my Mullen audience. Okay, here we go. Let me just do this. I think it would look better if I did this. Full screen. There you go. And can I get it to fill the space? There you go. That's as good as I can do it. All right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Disastrous earnings last night for Lucid. But we're running a poll now asking what's the best EV company to invest in. Should you invest in Mullen, Tesla, Arrival, or Lucid? If you click above my head, around about there will be a link to a poll. It's Martyn Investor on Twitter. We've had 207 votes right now, and I want your thoughts. Do you think that Mullen, Tesla, Arrival, or Lucid is the best EV company to invest in? Right now, Lucid is down at 13%. Disastrous earning. They're losing $500,000 on every car they sell. Why anyone would invest in Lucid now, I've no idea. Arrival got 5.8%. I'm not surprised by that. However, what I am surprised about is Mullen has gone into the lead, 49%. Tesla is 31%. I would have thought Tesla would lead. However, I probably have more Mullen fans on my Twitter account than I do Tesla, so it may be slightly unbalanced there. Let's see if we get more Tesla investors throughout the day on this one. So go and check that out. Leave me your thoughts. What is the best EV to own? Mullen, Tesla, Arrival, or Lucid? It's a poll that ends in 8 hours at the making of this video, which is 8 o'clock in the morning. So go and check it out, and good luck. And I'd like your thoughts as well. Join us live. We've got the SBCE earnings tonight. It's going to be a big night. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay, I don't need to get a thumbnail off that. Full screen, there we go. Back to Virgin Galactic right now. It's going back down. And once it settles, it will start to go up again. Got a way to go. Got 600 shares of space at 363 and holding. Very nice indeed. Wish I had at 363. I'm at 405. But at the end of the day, that's fine. The overall markets are being sold off. Right, here comes the S&P. Now then, our first rally of the day, down 0.36. You buying the S&P now for a quick trade? I am going to release my buy orders because, in fact, I don't need to do it yet. I've got buy orders for my top stocks in place for drops, but we're not. I don't think we're going to hit them today. I do want money on hand. In fact, I can cancel the orders. I'm going to do that anyway. I'm going to go into my limit orders, and I'm going to cancel my orders. Don't know why I said that twice, but anyway, I'm going to cancel my orders because I want to have money on hand in my Roth IRA. So I've cancelled a McDonald's order. I'm cancelling a order to buy the S&P at 370. I don't see it doing it. Coca-Cola to buy at 60. I don't see it doing it. Cancelling that. And J&J as well to buy one at 159. I don't see that either. So I should have no orders now. So let's have a look. We're back at 53.8. Now, if I show you now exactly what I've done, I've got money to buy Virgin Galactic if it drops. There you go. You see it says 863 bucks. I've got $863 now, which I'm prepared to invest in Virgin Galactic if we get a drop before earnings, not during earnings. Or in fact, during earnings if the news is good. So I've got two sort of ways of looking at that. Anyway, let's hold my position right now so I can clear all those notifications away from Robinhood. I don't need to know that I've cancelled those. I know I've cancelled those. All right, thanks for letting me know though. Right, let's go back to our Rumble account. Wow, we've got 12 today. We're at 70 followers. Thank you so much indeed. This is you on Rumble. Welcome to you. I go live up to 10 hours a day every day. And I've got this channel, Martyn Lucas Investor, and I've also got Martyn Lucas the Music Channel. Tonight, we're reporting live on the earnings. This is you on Rumble right now. We're reporting the earnings tonight of Virgin Galactic, and afterwards on my music channel, we are doing the Virgin Galactic Rocket Man concert. And this is my Virgin Galactic earnings live tonight. You will see it posted later on Rumble. I can't do it straight away because it only allows me to post one upcoming event at a time, whereas on YouTube I've got them scheduled out for a week ahead. I can't do that on Rumble, I'm afraid. But to join me later on this channel for the earnings, and then Martyn Lucas on the music channel, my other channel, for the party. I'm the World Piano Man, and we're going to have some fun with it. But when it goes to 3, ha, 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 says Hassanel. Well, it could very well do so. Martin, though the S&P you are invested, Martin, through the S&P you are invested in NVIDIA more than some other stocks in your portfolio. You're absolutely correct. You are absolutely correct. That is very, very true. I have NVIDIA already, and it's the biggest part of my portfolio. So yes, I am absolutely involved. My plan is to buy some space and trim off tomorrow after hopefully good earnings, and then funware tomorrow for the earnings. Then same for Rumble next week. Oh, we're covering Rumble next week as well. We're covering Rumble earnings as well. You might like to be interested in that. So NVIDIA is going down. The S&P is going down. Virgin Galactic is still falling. There you go. We're holding it at the moment. Virgin Orbit. I want to buy some in my Roth IRA. I've got one share at 321. I'm 28% up. If only I'd bought more at 321. Well, I did, and I sold them. I took a profit, but that's why there's one share showing. So there you go. There's my one Roth IRA share, but I've got $863 to buy. So we're looking to do that tonight, and then a quick trade from it. It'll be a day trade. Exciting stuff. See if I can get some money out of it. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, $13 now. When is Rivian earnings? That's coming up. Oh, today after hours. Yes, today after hours, Rivian. Turning profitable, perhaps. Wouldn't that be good? 158 a share. They could turn profitable. I doubt it. But anyway, looking good. Rivian on the way up, even though it started down. I like it. Right then. Tesla still falling. We want to sell 2 shares at 189. Trim off the top. Apple going up. Apple going down. Amazon going down. McDonald's holding up right now. Coca-Cola still down today. J&J 0.37 down 2.73. On my main position. It's good for the dividends though. On my Roth IRA I'm up. My bigger positions on my Roth, 23% of my portfolio. Google, very nice indeed. Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco. Back to Virgin Galactic. Still going down. It hasn't started to be bound yet. Now up 1%, 1.3 on my main holding. And my lowest was 321. I hold that one single share. That's my noon bag of one share. That's where I'm hoping to buy it if it drops today on earnings. Anyway, let's see what happens. You want to keep some money on hand to do it, right? Don't want to go into earnings without any money. SoFi. Oops. Robinhood. Sorry about the lens flare. Apologise for that. IonQ. Robinhood. Down nearly 10% now. On my Roth IRA, I'm down 4%. That's my bigger position. What's Ford doing today? Ford is down 1.46. Rio Tinto down 0.67. Meta 232. The markets are still falling. We're about to go through $40,000. We like to hold it at 40,000. Psychologically, I just like it up there. There's the Roth. 53.8, 600 off an all-time high. Okay, now we're getting it start to come back up again. This is what I said would happen. Let's see now if Virgin Galactic, if you can buy in at this price. 412. If I go to my main account, my average is 405. What do you say about PayPal being down? I've got no comment on PayPal, I'm afraid. Let's welcome our guests on Rumble. We've got Top Rack and Eric B saying hello. Midnight Oil as well over there. 70 followers. We're trying to get to 100 followers within 2 weeks. A little bit of a challenge I've set myself because it releases new levels. There you go. There is my Rumble right now. If you just follow me, it'd be kind of cool. It's an interesting platform. It's interesting. I think it's going to do very well, actually. I like it. Anyway, I've got some stock in it as well. Anyway, we'll be reporting on the earnings next week. Rumble, 411. Sorry, Virgin Galactic, 411. Let me check in on Bloomberg. What have we got to say here today? We're talking pharmaceuticals right now. Let's have a look at the market.
Communication services, tech, and discretionary, so go figure.
Abby, thank you. That's the sector price action. Your trading diary up next.
Wait. Yeah. They threw in some audio there. Let's I don't like when they do that. When they throw in audio like that, all of a sudden, it catches me out. And I don't like it because you get the video copyrighted. It only takes like a second or so. Doesn't take very long. Hopefully I'll be all right. Anyway, if I have to trim that little moment, I will. Virgin Galactic is now down 408. Oh, it's going red now. Here we go. No surprise. I don't know when it's going to bounce back, though. Yeah, we're about to turn red. There we go. We've gone red now. It's down 0.61 on the day. Yeah, it's down 0.61 on the day. There you go. I've just noticed the S&P is red when it's down. Virgin Galactic is green when it's down. That's strange. That should be red. That's a chart error. Very peculiar. Anyway, let me refresh that. See if that turns red. That should be red. There you go. Thought so. It wasn't refreshing properly. Should have left it green. It looked better, didn't it? Okay, we're coming to the end of our show because I've got to get some videos out today for Virgin Galactic for the earnings. Below 4 being nice is nice, going up later anyway. Below 4, be nice. It's going up later anyway. Exactly. I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it to buy it now. I'm not buying it in my main account. I'm already in there. I'm looking at buying it in the Roth IRA. No point really buying it at the same price. I've already got it. That's not really I've not really done anything. I've not made a protection, and I've not put an insurance policy out. At the end of the day, I don't have to spend the money, right? If it doesn't go any lower than this and it just keeps on going and going and going or whatever, that's great. However, if it goes below 4 significantly, I want to jump in with half my money. I've got $800. I would spend 400 and then I'd wait for the earnings because I want to be able to buy if we get this flash crash. I like to call it that. So I'm going to keep some money on hand for that with the very intention of taking some money out of it, leaving my main position, but taking some profit out of it. Anyway. Okay. Let's check our crypto bubbles this morning. Pepe is still leading the chase. He's up today, up 61% this week. What about the day? Oh, he's down today 13%. BSV up 28%. Look at that. Bitcoin Satoshi Vision is up today 28% on the day. I've never seen that before. I'm going to put that out because I've got a lot of BSV fans on my channel. They would love to hear that today. 126. I'm surprised. I've never seen that. 126 BSV. Okay. That surprised me. So I'm going to report on that. Okay. Let's bring him in the middle. Come here, BSV. Stick you in the middle, like that. All right. There you go. Let's do this. This will be interesting. I'll get a reaction to this, I'm sure. Here we go. BSV. I've got a lot of fans of BSV on my channel, and they'll be interested to read this. All right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Look at this. I have never, ever seen BSV being the number one crypto asset on our crypto bubbles of our top 100. Look at this. It's up 28% today. What do you think? I've got a lot of people who follow my channel that believe BSV is the real Bitcoin and it's the real future, and it's far better than any other asset. A lot of very passionate, sometimes very aggressive, though I always tell you the truth, enthusiasts for Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. Craig Wright, Dr. Craig Wright, actually accepted to come onto my show to be interviewed by me. He is allegedly the real Satoshi Nakamoto, and it was left at I should speak to his secretary to arrange it. I've not yet done that yet. I've not got round to it, but Dr. Craig Wright, Satoshi Nakamoto, wants to come on our show and talk about BSV. But BSV today is actually up 28%. Should we just check how it's been doing all week? Hardly noticed it during the week at 18%. Pepe was the big story last week, but you can see it's been up for a week now, but today 28%, it stands out. I've never seen this before. Let's look on the hour. It is up on the hour as well. So what do you think? Let's go into a bit more detail. With BSV, some people think this is the real deal, and they're very passionate about BSV. It's up today 10 points. It ranks 61 of our top 100. Market cap 756, so it's very small in comparison to BTC. But I know a lot of A lot of investors in BSV will be a little bit excited about this today. What do you think? I used to be in it and I didn't. I sold my position because I had to, because my channel is all about honesty, transparency, and so on. And I couldn't actually share it on my channel because Robinhood is what I use to trade and invest, delisted it. And if I can't buy it, if I can't share it, I can't talk about it. I mean, it's as simple as that. But what do you think? BSV today has popped up. Very, very interesting. I've never seen this particular crypto coin leading the charge. What do you think? Are you a BSV investor? Do you believe BSV is the real Bitcoin? Does it make any difference whether it is or whether it isn't? Is there a better case for it? Arguably, it has the better technology. But what do you think? Why was it delisted from so many brokerages? Why is it so hard to buy? And why is the family around it so passionate and at times aggressive? I have to say that. Some very educated, decent people, but some very loud, aggressive people too. Let me know your thoughts, and I would like your opinion on this. And then what I'm going to do then, I'm going to go to here and do a question here. And we're going to do BSV, and we're going to do BTC. All right, BSV and BTC. Okay. What is the best, what is the best long-term investment? BSV, I better write Bitcoin BSV, Bitcoin BSV, or Bitcoin BTC. Okay, all right. Let me get rid of that. That didn't work, so I'll just delete that. Okay, I'm running a poll. Virgin Galactic is going down now. There we go. That's not a surprise. That's not a surprise. We said that was going to happen. We'll come back to Bitcoin in a minute. We're just running a poll here with regard to Bitcoin. So we'll be right back in just a second. Just bear with me. And here we go. Let's run this poll. And the question I'm going to ask then is BSV or BTC? Okay. What do you prefer to invest in? Okay. And we'll run it for 1 day. BSV, BTC, what is the best long-term investment? Okay, there we go. And there it is. Let's send that now. Okay. Okay. Let's add this to the video. Let me get rid of that. Okay. So we're running a poll on Twitter right now. This is my Twitter account asking you the question, what is the best long-term investment? Is it Bitcoin BSV or Bitcoin BTC? If you click above my head, somewhere around there, it'll take you to the link to my Twitter account, or look below in the description, or just type in @Martyn Investor. I'd like your thoughts. What do you think of this? Leave me your vote, but also why you think BTC is best, or BSV is best, or BTC. What's your views on it? I'd like your opinions and thoughts on that. So anyway, let's go back to BSV just for a moment. It's still holding up 28%. Again, I've not seen this before on this particular stock. It's pretty interesting. Anyway, I've got to go. I'm on a live show right now. Until next time, take care of your money, your crypto, yourselves, and each other. Okay, let's, we've got that image as well we can grab. Okay, right, back to Bitcoin. Sorry, back to Virgin Galactic now. Okay. Welcome everybody over there on Rumble. We got 8 of you watching now. I'm at 70 followers. Trying to get to 100 in 2 weeks. It's a little challenge. If we can achieve it, it'll be kind of cool. Virgin Galactic is going back down again. I said it would, but I think it will bounce back in a minute. So anywhere around about now is worth me buying some. I want to start to buy it around the $4. I don't want to go all in because I want to be able, if we get a really bad reaction from the earnings. Here we go, $3.99. Here we go. Let's go to the Roth position. My Roth IRA, Virgin Galactic, we're ready. Ready to buy some. Down she goes, $3.99. I've got entry point anywhere around here. Forget space by PLTR. Manal, forget space, he says. Very good, that is going down. Just bought 2,000 space. I hope it goes down even then I buy another 2,000. Congratulations to you. I've got $860 available. I don't know what the entry point is, to be perfectly honest. We've had it as low as 340. $317. Anywhere. I mean, at the end of the day, you're not buying it because you think it's going to go to $4, are you? You're buying it because you think it's going to 5 to 10. So it doesn't really matter whether you buy it at 350, 349, 48. It's irrelevant. That's what we're looking for. But how much lower is it going to go? Not many people are going to sell it, I wouldn't have thought yet. There's no point. There's been no bad news yet. If there was suddenly some bad news, it would make sense. But there isn't. There really isn't. So buying it, selling it now doesn't make too much sense. So I don't see it going down much lower than this. I think it's going to hover around this price now for a while. It's going to explode Space and Mullen. Let's see. Okay, buy the Space SPC 2000, but also add PLTR at 5,000. I don't have that much money, I'm afraid, but now you're a richer man than me. 402. I was trying to get $1 million to buy Virgin Galactic with my single, but the Virgin Galactic song, but it didn't make enough money. Only made about $20. And I spent all of it on the stock. So, unfortunately, it didn't make any more money. So, that's all I can say about that. Anyway, Virgin Galactic. Apple looking good. Let's have a look at Apple right now. Apple looking good. Yeah, Apple's a great company. Yes, I've got a big position in Apple. I'm up 18%. Apple is laughing. Why is it funny? I think Apple's a great company. It's one of my biggest positions. 8.4% of my main account. Anyway, back to SPCE. We're looking for an entry. I'm not looking to jump all over it yet. It doesn't make any sense. It hasn't really gone back yet. This is where you want to buy it. Somewhere around about here. Somewhere around about in the midway. Not the bottom, because everyone's waiting for it to go there. Everyone's watching the chart and going, I want to buy it here. I'm not greedy. Anywhere in between here. 350, 360, anywhere there is good by me. So we're going to keep an eye on it. And if it doesn't go there, it doesn't go there. If it doesn't, I've got a position. I like holding my cash as well for real drops, not just a few cents here and there. That doesn't really make any sense. So we'll keep an eye on it. And I'll be watching it throughout the day. Right, I need to get off. We'll do day trader of the day right now. I've got lots of work preparation to do for Virgin Galactic tonight for the concert and everything else. So I've got to get to work on all of that right now. So let's do day trader of the day. Go to your main position. I'm down 0.6. Let's get everyone's scores on the doors. Down 0.6%. Once the first person starts to post, we'll give you a minute. Bought another 2,000. Congratulations, Hassanel. You should become a member of our channel. If you are a big investor, you should become a member. It's only a couple of bucks a month. If you go silver, we can promote your channel. You can promote your business, promote charities. You can call in live to the show. You can share links with all your favorite stocks. I put them on the show. That way we can verify you. 95% of our live viewers are members. Why don't you become a member? There you go. Down 3.95. Ouch. Ouch. We don't like to hear that, do we? I'm just down 0.6 at the moment. Crag is down 3.95. Still going down. Virgin Galactic 403. Any more scores? I'm winning at the moment. I'm down 0.6. Crag is down 3.95. Chiggy, 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 bow, bow. I said, chiggy, 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 oh, oh. There we go, 12 seconds to go. Let's close the timer for a moment as we count down. Only one score today. What is going on? What is going on? How come we've only got one score today? Sid is up 0.42. Sid from the Netherlands is up today 0.42. Congratulations to you. 406 on Virgin Galactic. We've seen it go up as much as 426, 405. We're getting some resistance now. PLTR says the Queen of Self-Braiding. PLTR. All right, so it looks like I'm going to give the winner to Sid. Only a couple of you posted, so I'm going to give Sid the winner. Thank you for your honest trades. Thank you very much indeed. And give him the sound effects. There you go. Congratulations, Sid. Well done indeed. Have been holding PLTR. All right. Okay. Now then. Virgin Galactic. We're going to end the show right there. I've got to prepare for tonight's concert and the earnings. More videos to put out and so on and so forth. Thanks for joining me this morning. I'm looking to get an entry around this price. It went up as high as 426, 4%. So we've got like a 5% swing there. Potential. Maybe buy $100 worth of it at this point. And make a quick, easy $5 if we get it for out the day. It's not a bad idea. Maybe buy 100 at this price. What do you think? It's more than I've already. No, I'm not. I'm going to stand my ground on it because I've already got 336 at this price. I'm just adding to what I've already got. What I want to do is buy it lower and do several day trades on it. That's what I'd like to do. Okay, there's no point rolling the credit. Well, yeah, I'm going to roll the credits. I should always roll the credits, shouldn't I? I'm going to roll the credits. It's important. So let's roll the credits right now and see who took part in today's show. I don't think I've got any super chats, so I don't think we've got anything to celebrate from that point of view. But anyway, let's get ready to rock and roll. Let's bring in the music. and buy and thank me later. Well, you don't know, do you? You don't know. Let's roll the credits. I don't think we're going to have anything to celebrate today, but you never know. Stars of the show, thanks for your support. No, nothing there today. Nothing going on, so let me clear off the credits. Bring that back in again. There we go. All right, that's it from me today. Oh, why can't I? Oh, why is Mike's comment stuck there? Let me just delete that a second. Mike, your comment's stuck on the screen. Oh, there we go. I got it now. There we go. Couldn't clear your comment for a minute. Right, that's it. Buy 100, Martin. I'd be amazed if it dropped on earnings day after good news yesterday. I know. I mean, that's what I'm thinking. Just 100. You know, and then if it pops up 5-10%, you know, I make $10. It's free money, right? I agree with you. It's only that I want to keep money on hand for other things. And also, if we do get the sell-off during the earnings, I want to have plenty of money to be able to buy a dip. So I'm going to hold for a minute. I've got enough in it anyway, so I don't mind. Anyway, that's my position. So that's it for me. I'll see you all back in a bit. Get ready for tonight's earnings. Make it so. Get ready for the earnings. We've got the earnings, the concert. Check out all the links. They'll be available shortly. The music concert will be available shortly on my music channel. So have a wonderful afternoon wherever you are around the world. As always, take care of your money, your crypto, yourselves, and most importantly, take care of each other. See you back in a bit. It's going to be a great, great evening. Bye-bye for now.